Hi, it's HardReset and today I'll show you how to fix phone heating while charging on Redmi 13X. So first, it is completely normal for your device to heat while charging, especially while you're using the fast charging, but we can minimize that. So first, close all the background apps. You can go into the settings, the battery, charging options, and change it to standard so it won't be using the fast charging option and don't heat that much. Next, use the original cable and a charger. Avoid using your phone while charging, so just leave it on the nightstand and let it charge properly. Remove the case of your phone. I don't have any case, but if you do, then just remove it and charge in a cool and ventilated area. Thanks for watching, don't forget to leave a like and see you in the next one.